Hi, I'm Hayden, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a subtraction problem using base 10 blocks when you have to subtract and borrow from a number in the higher number. So I'm going to be doing for you the number 203 minus 126. Okay, and I'm going to be switching between the problem I have written and the number blocks to show you how to do each step. Okay, so here I have laid out the number 203 and the number 126 in base 10 blocks. All right, and as you can see, each one of these is equal to 100, each one of these is equal to 10, and each one of these is equal to 1. So it's a visual representation of the number we have right here. All right, so the first step in a subtraction problem is to subtract in the ones place. Now, as you can see, the number in the larger number in the ones place is smaller than the ones place in the smaller number. This means we're gonna have to borrow from, normally we would borrow from the tens place, but as you can see, there is nothing to borrow from in the tens place. So we're gonna have to borrow from the hundreds place. Now, what that's gonna look like over here is we're going to take away 100 and replace it with 10 tens. So over here, that's gonna look like crossing out the 2, because now we have 100, and we're gonna have 10 tens. Okay, now the next step is we're gonna have to take away, or we're gonna have to borrow a certain number from the tens place to give to the ones place in theory, so that we can subtract 6 from it. So what that's going to look like over here is we're going to do the same thing sort of as we did the first time, where we're going to replace one tens block with 10 ones cubes. Okay, so over here that's going to look like taking 10, now it's 9, because over here we only have 9 tens blocks, and then that's gonna give this 13. So now we can subtract 6 from 13, which gives us 7. So over here, we're gonna take away 6 from the 13 ones that we have. So here, we're just gonna take those and take them away. They're no longer there. All right, so now we have to subtract 2 from 9. So basically all that's gonna look like is taking away 2 tens. Okay, so we're gonna take that away. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, and now we're going to have to subtract 1 from 1, which over here we're going to subtract 100, which is 100 in the hundreds place. We're going to have to subtract that from the whole number. And as you all know, 1 minus 1 is 0. So the total for 203 minus 126 is 77. Now we're going to check it over here with our base 10 blocks. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and each of these is equal to 10, so that equals 70. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7, which is equal to 77. So our math problem was correct, and now you guys can tell how to use base 10 blocks as a visualization for a subtraction problem when you're using borrowing. All right, thanks for watching.